Hello, everyone. This is Christy. I am so excited to welcome you to my new YouTube channel, Easy Living in the Carolinas. I am dead center in South and North Carolina. And I just wanted to come on here and share the things that I really love to do. So I love to create handmade jewelry. I love to color and to paint. I love photography. I love to travel, all kinds of different things. So I hope to bring that to you here on this YouTube channel. So today I wanted to show you my most recent jewelry haul from Walmart and Hobby Lobby. So to get started, I went to Hobby Lobby. I try to go like every 2 weeks when their jewelry department's on sale. And they had, in addition to the 50% off, marked down a bunch of beads that they were just trying to get out of their inventory. And most of those, like, I wouldn't have really used, like, it was a lot of natural stones. So if you're looking for that, definitely hit up your local Hobby Lobbies. Maybe they're doing the same in your area. But I grabbed some new goodies that they had on their shelf that they had recently put out. So I'm going to show you what I got today. So the first thing is this bead kit, and it's all neon colors. Let me turn it around for you. There we go. So it's a neon pink, neon orange, neon yellow, and neon green. And this is going to be perfect for summer as I am doing a neon summer jewelry line that I will be sharing here on YouTube and then hopefully, fingers crossed, on my brand new jewelry website. So the next thing, let's see, I sort of just have it all thrown into the bag. So I'm just going to randomly share whatever I pull out. So the first thing I found are these new glass beads. Are these not gorgeous? And they have a solid green and then like a clear green. And it reminds me of the Wizard of Oz. And then to go with those, I also found these green chunky beads. And most of the beads that I like to invest in are glass. So I'm going to mix these two together and make probably a Wizard of Oz bracelet. And then these are also by Color Gallery. Staying on the green theme, these are like a dark green blue. My camera is not doing the color justice, but beautiful, beautiful glass beads. And then these were marked down to $2.49 from $9.99. And I have had my eye on those for several months, but I could not bring myself to even pay $5. I was like, no, that just seems a little high to me. So they had gone through and marked down every color, and your girl got one of every color for $2.49 a strand. So I have purple. Like I said, this is like a dark purple. Like I said, my camera is washing out the color. And then I have a white. And they sort of look like pony beads, but they're glass. And the inside has a color, a pink. Let me see if I can adjust my light. Hang on a second. Let's bring this down a little bit. It helped a little bit. So I have a pink. And, oh yes. And I grabbed a black. So I have that. Next, I grabbed some of these red beads. Ooh, look at that red. Is that not pretty? And these are like a flat disc. And then I have these clear crackle glass, but they're in the color red. Beautiful. So I'll be using those for my 4th of July patriotic jewelry line. And then the red version, this one right here, they also have it in a black version. So I have those as well. And then as a jewelry maker, a small business owner, you're always looking, several, at least 2 to 3 months minimum in advance. So I'm already looking at the different fall items that they have some of it's year round, but I can tell like Hobby Lobby is really starting to try to put out their fall, even though we're in March. They're starting to put out more of those burnt oranges and browns and yellows, and I am here for it. So I picked up a strand of orange glass beads, and then I have a larger, same thing, so you can sort of see side by side. There we go. And then they have like this bright yellow. Oh, I love that. And then again, I picked up the normal and the smaller version. Love those. And then they also have like this clear translucent yellow, which is really, really pretty. So you can just imagine it like on your wrist. But really like that. I also found some really, really pretty faceted orange beads. And then they have a larger version as well. These are gorgeous. And they've got a really good weight to them. Like they're not flimsy glass. They're really great. And so I also picked up the crackle glass and the purple. And I'm gonna put it on this side because my light is a little bit more friendly. And like I said, the color is a little off, but that's okay. And then check out the blue. Is that not beautiful? And I wished I looked for like a navy blue crackle glass for 4th of July. Could not find one, so we're gonna go with the bright blue. And speaking of bright colors, I found a neon pink. And again, I really wish it wasn't washing it out, but a neon pink. And then they have a translucent pink. It's almost like a blush pink, like a baby blush pink. Really pretty color. Like that one. And then I had to pick up my traditional clear. These are like, they almost look like crystal. They're so clear, but beautiful on the wrist. So the next set of beads I have are these black beads, and they're like a flat rectangle, and on the edges is matte and the inside is shiny. So these are extremely classy. Look at how pretty that would be on the wrist. Love that. And then I am a big fan of purple. So these are like a metallic purple, and there's 3 different sizes. Have those. And then lastly, for my regular glass beads, this is something new, and I don't know if my camera is going to pick up on this. Clean them off a little bit, but it's purple, but it actually, look, it is beautiful. There's like a blue iridescent glitter on the inside of the bead. Oh, this is probably my new favorite bead. I love that one. In addition to those, I also have what I like to call like specialty beads. So I found these really, really pretty. They're purple and blue and pink, like a translucent stars. These are gorgeous. I can just see like a little girl having these around her wrists and giving them like friendship bracelets to her friends. Unicorns, fairy tales, all the magical things. So I love those. And then I also bought some pink pearls. I think I'm in my pink era. Like, I know my bedspread is different shades of blue, but I gravitate so hard towards pink jewelry, like all shades of pink. I love it. Pink, red, purples, definitely feel it. And I do love my blues. I can't deny it, but I love the pink jewelry. Speaking of pink, I have these textured iridescent balls. Don't let your mind go there. So there's like a white, a pink, and then like a darker pink. So you get 3 different shades. And then I also, oh, where'd they go? No, they're there. Here we are. I have a darker pink, So these are just giving me princess vibes all the way around, and they're so sparkly, which is what I love. And then I also have these really pretty clear flowers, but they have a color center. So these are great for spring. And then I found these, and these were part of these were 99¢. They were originally $3.99, which is the price. And like I said, I've seen these a million times. I've just never picked them up. But I figure for 99¢, I will definitely use them some way in making jewelry. It's like a clear iridescent bauble like that. Few more, guys, few more. Thanks for hanging in there with me and hanging out today. Like I said, we're just going to relax, chit chat, talk. This is a fun channel. And then I have these metallic blue stars. Love those. Get you a little closer so you see them and not so much me. That's why you're here, right? For the beads. And then I think these are new. I found these purple, they're like a clear translucent purple. Beautiful flowers. So those will be going into my spring collection. And then these are a bag. It's like clear iridescent hearts and stars, and there's like round beads in there. So I use these a lot in my jewelry making. And then these are new. They're actually metallic silver and gold hearts. And like I said, I know Valentine's is past, but you can love all kinds of different things all throughout the year. So these will come in handy. And those are by Bead Design Company. And then moving on along, just a few more things from Hobby Lobby. Like I said, I definitely splurged at Hobby Lobby this week, but that's okay. We all have things that we'd like to spend our money on. These are by Metal Gallery. So these are actually metal flowers, and they're like spacers. And I do use them for that, but these would be gorgeous just as is as well. So I may reuse these and make a really dainty flower necklace or bracelet. So I have those, and then there is also a silver version. So these remind me of daisies. There we go. Very hippie vibes on those. And then moving on along, I got just some regular gold and silver round beads. And then the last thing I got at Hobby Lobby were these new spacers. I've not seen these before, so I really liked those. But someone told me that they have beads. And I'm like, let me go check them out and see what they have. They are more expensive than Hobby Lobby, and the selection is not grand. But the beads that I did find are very, very pretty. So all of the beads were full price, nothing was on sale, and they were $4 a strand. So I just picked up a few. But I found these really pretty faceted glass beads, and they're like a sort of like a light salmon tan peachy color. I really like them. So I bought those, and then I bought the same bead but in a clear translucent pink. These are gorgeous. I really like those. Beautiful. And then going back to one of my favorite colors, check out that blue. I think that's about as close as I'm gonna get to a navy blue. And it's still, like I said, the camera color is a little off. So in person, it has a green tint, almost like a dark turquoise, but beautiful. Look at that shimmer and shine when the sun hits that. Absolutely gorgeous. And then I found these glass beads, which I really like these. So they're like a square turquoise bead. So I have those. And like I said, these were all $4 a strand. And then the very last bead were these neon, they're like that acrylic type of material, like a matte silicone. They feel like silicone beads. But I really like these. And then I found some like neon green at Hobby Lobby, and I was going to get them. I thought about it, but I was like, no, I think it would overpower the beads that I have right here. So I'm not quite sure what kind of bracelet I'm going to make it with these, but I just love the tie-dye, and I think they would be fun for my neon summer collection. Oops. So guys, that's my entire haul. Like I said, I love all the different and fun and bright colors that I found at my recent trip to Hobby Lobby and Walmart. And on the next video, I will actually be showing you the bracelets that I've currently created in my spring and summer collections that will be available for sale. And then as always, if you haven't done so, since this is a new channel, I would love for you to hit that like button, leave a comment down below if you create jewelry or just love it yourself. And if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing to the channel. It's free, doesn't cost anything, but it lets YouTube know that you enjoy the content and that you'll definitely want to see more. So guys, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.